Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine and doing your studies at your home properly. Today we are going to do brain teasers of chapter 9. Question number 1 we will do in our books, that is multiple choice question. In the given figure, the number of line segments is. Count the number of line segments and then choose the right answer from here. Do it yourself. The number of diagonals in a pentagon. Do you all know the shape of pentagon? I am drawing here a small shape of pentagon. Now diagonals means a line segment which is joining two known adjacent vertices like this, in this way. So there are 5 diagonals. Now for the following figure, AC plus CB, let us see, AC plus CB, this complete will be equal to AB. So our first option is correct. Next, a line segment extends in one direction only? No. Extends in both the direction? No. Has two endpoints? Yes. This is the right answer. E part. One endpoint of a line segment AB is against the mark 2 and other at 9 of a scale. Means, suppose this is my scale and its 2 centimeter is here. I have drawn my line in such a way that my starting point is at 2 centimeter of scale and ending is at 9 centimeter. So now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many parts are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Fine. Now question number B. I have drawn this figure here. For the given figure, we are to tell AE plus EC. Let us see. AE plus EC. This complete makes AC. Now AC minus EC. If this is AC, I am removing AC from here. What is left now? AE. Next, BD minus BE. This complete is BD and this is BE. Now the result is DE. Similarly, BD minus DE, if I am removing this, only BE is left. Now next question. The length of an air conditioner remote is 10 centimeter. Length of a television remote is 16 centimeter. Construct a line segment of length equal to the difference of their length. Suppose the length of air conditioner remote, that is, we have taken AB. Let AB is the length of air conditioner remote and that is given to us 10 centimeter. Now suppose CD is the length of television remote. I am writing it TV. Okay. It is given to us 16 centimeter. We are to construct a line segment whose length is equal to difference of their length. So what should we do? We should draw a long line using a scale. Now open your compass up to 16 centimeter. Like I will start from here and mark an arc of 16 centimeter with compass only. You will not do it directly. Now we will mark an arc of 10 centimeter from this point and in this way. I will keep my compass at this point and mark an arc in this way. The remaining segment, let that be equal to PQ, will be the length of the required segment. So I can name this like this way. This 10 is this length and this 10 is this length. Fine. It should be left with 6 centimeter now. Okay. In the same way we will do the part number C of question 1 and D also. Question 5 we are to count the line segments. Next question, how many line segments are there in the figure? We can count easily and we have to name only 4. Now we have to construct a line segment whose length is thrice the length of the given line segments. Use your scale, measure this length. Suppose this is 4 centimeter. Now we will construct a segment whose length is thrice of 4, that is 12 centimeter. Now fourth question, we are given a triangle. Now construct a line segment whose length is equal to sum total of all 3 sides of this triangle. Measure all 3 lengths. Now construct a line segment equal to sum of these line segments. Now question number 5. We are to find the perimeter of square of side 2 centimeter and of equilateral triangle of side 1.5 centimeter. Do you remember the formula for measuring perimeter? For square this is 4 into side, and for equilateral triangle this is 3 into side. That is, multiply this value by 3 and this value by 4. We will get the perimeters. Now after getting this, we will construct a segment whose length is the sum of their perimeters, and then the length is equal to difference of their perimeters. We can do this easily. So now your homework to complete the brain teasers of chapter 9. Thank you.